Still running your Mooncake packaging line manually? When mid-autumn peak hits, workers pull 12-hour shifts, slow cartoning jams the whole line, and one mistake ruins a whole case. Manual packaging has three critical flaws. First, peak season hiring is nearly impossible. Temp workers need half-a-day training. Second, manual cartoning cycle is unstable. Rushing crushes mooncakes, and slacking drags the line. Third, changeover takes dozens of minutes. Every gift box spec change means starting over. This automated line uses SCARA robots with vision systems. 0.8 seconds per tin, 8 seconds per case. Cartoning, cutlery insertion, lidding, scanning, case packing, sealing and strapping, palletizing, fully automatic from start to finish. The technical core, SCARA planar joint structure enables high-speed pick-in-place with plus or minus 0.05 mm repeatability. 2D cameras recognize mooncake and tin poses in real time. Robots follow the conveyor for dynamic picking without stopping. Multi-robot coordination uses EtherCAT bus synchronization, cartoning, cutlery, and lidding. Robots execute with phase offsets, communication cycle under 4 milliseconds. Watch the live demo. Mooncakes and tins arrive from separate conveyors. SCARA picks and precisely loads mooncakes into tins. Cutlery gripper synchronously inserts packs. Lidding station vision-guided pressing. Traceability scan. Dynamic case packing with 4 tins per case. Gift bag auto placement. Sealing and strapping in one smooth flow. By the numbers, manual cartoning averages 3 seconds per tin with 5% error rate. SCARA automation at 0.8 seconds per tin, error rate drops to 0.1%. Changeover compressed from 30 minutes to 5 minutes. Select a recipe on the HMI and done. One SCARA replaces 4 skilled workers. No more peak season staffing headaches. This solution applies not only to mooncakes, but also to iron tin or carton packaging for egg yolk pastries, cakes, and cookies. The key is food-grade materials and clean design. 304 stainless steel grippers, food-grade conveyor belts, compliant with hygiene standards. Mooncake packaging automation is not just adding robots. SCARA cycle time, vision accuracy, and multi-robot coordination, all three are essential. Which process gives your packaging line the biggest headache?